Look at this right here, 25 cents per photo view. And this seller has 49.4 thousand views. So 49,000 views times 25 cents is $12,250 from viewing photos. Hey everybody, Austin here. And in today's video, I want to show you how you can generate over $500 just posting free images and photos onto this website. You don't have to have a camera. You don't have to have pictures that are yours. You could literally copy and paste pictures that are royalty free from Google and other sites that I'm going to go over in this video. And you can do this as soon as today, absolutely free, and you get paid out as soon as you receive $15 as seen here via PayPal. So go ahead and subscribe, smash that like button, and let's dive into the computer. So you're probably wondering what website this is, but we're not going to get into that yet. We're going to talk about how you can get these pictures. So stick with me from the beginning to the end of this video. I'm going to show you step by step how to set this up, how to get images, and make sure they are royalty free so you don't get in trouble for using them. So stay with me and let's jump over to one of the first websites where you can get images for free to use. And you're going to copy these images, you're going to download them to your computer, and then you're going to paste them on this website, and you can get paid every time they are viewed. So let's jump over to a website called pixabay.com. As you can see here, stunning free images in royalty-free stock. What royalty-free means is there is no licenses and copyrights on these images. They're available to you to use at your own leisure for free. So you can look right here of all different types of things. For the sake of this video, we want to look for something that is very appealing, maybe like nature. It could be cars, something exotic, something that brings joy to people. Like even like this glacier right here and stuff like that. Snow, stuff that is beautiful, stuff, even animals, stuff that people like to see. People like images. So you just go through here and you want to pick what your niche is going to be, or your category. So for the sake of this, we'll just do nature. So we could do something like waterfalls. I like waterfalls, right? So we'll look in waterfalls and look at these images. They're just beautiful images of different waterfalls. And all you have to do to use these images is like, I like that one. I like this one. You just click it and you literally click free download. You can pick the size you want and you just click download. As a registered user, no captures present, I'm not a robot, and I hit download. And as it downloads, you can see right here, it downloaded, it's saved to my computer. I can open it up. I'll just save it to my desktop so we can use it in a minute. Or I'll just save it as a waterfall. 1. And we'll hit downloads, enter. And now we have that saved. So now I'm going to show you a second website where you can do the same thing. It's going to be called Pexels, P-E-X-E-L-S. Again, it's a royalty-free website. You could go through here and browse anything you want, or you could just search. Let's search waterfalls. So then we can get different styles, different images. You can see there's all different types of images here. I did see this one on the other one, but you do have more images to choose from over here as well. This is a very nice one. And you can use these images for free. So again, click free download. You can download this for free. And now I'm going to show you the third website where I was talking about how you can just go straight to Google and copy and paste images. But be very careful with this because you can get in trouble if you do it incorrectly. So you're going to want to go to Google Images and type waterfall or whatever it is that you're in. Obviously waterfalls, nature. I could go with anything nature. I could just type the word nature and find beautiful photos, but you can't just copy and paste these images. What you need to do is click right here where it says tools. Under the search bar, it says tools, click that. And then right here where it says usage rights, you want to click that. And then you're going to want to click the very first one, Creative Commons licenses. This is unlicensed products, so it is licensable. It is unlicensed at the time, so you can use these images. So all you would have to do is right click the image and click Save Image As. And this is how you can come through here and get free images straight from Google and then use them later on. But we're going to use the one I grabbed from Pexels, and we're going to go over to the website that is going to be responsible for paying us via PayPal every time our images are viewed. And that website is ClickASnap. So ClickASnap is the world's largest free to use paid per view image sharing platform. So what that means is it's free for you to use it. You can upload your images and you get paid per view. So let's go ahead and just take a look. You can see that they have all kinds of people, and you can see right here the views. Some people get 65,000 views, 22,000 views, 57,000 views, and you can see different images right here on the main screen. But just click how it works and let's see how it works. You can see you can sign up for free. You can receive 25 cents paid per photo view, $15 minimum payout, which doesn't seem like it's going to be too hard to reach, and it's paid out via PayPal. They have 60,000 plus members signed up and millions of views per a month. And the thing about this website is it's relatively new, so it's going to be easier for you to get traction now than later. So that's why I really recommend it. And again, it's like one of the only ones that pay per view. It's the largest one that pays per view. So it's easy to earn money when someone views your photos. You upload your photo, users view your photo. Your photos are then displayed to users that visit ClickASnap. When someone views your photo, you make money, you get paid. Once your payment reaches $15, you can request to get paid. Payments are made through PayPal for your safety and security. It is free to sign up. And so let's just go ahead and you can see, let's just click the sign up button. I'm gonna show you exactly how to sign up. Register, you're gonna put your email address, a username, a password, confirm your password, and then terms and conditions. You'll want to glance over these terms and conditions right here. Just click on them. Click that I agree checkbox, and then you're going to create an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. All right, as you can see, I am signed in. This is what your dashboard will slightly look like. You'll have people you follow. You could go here and explore. Here's the different tabs that you can explore. Say we want to explore nature. You can browse just like on other platforms, browse images and view these images. And then they also have an area for marketplace. So if you are like you want to sell your own images and stuff like that, kind of like Shutterstock and stuff like that, where you sell your images. Maybe you're a photographer and you go out and you have nice camera equipment and you take beautiful pictures and stuff like that, and you want to upload them for people to purchase and license them, you can sell them here. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload images absolutely free and start to get paid. So right here on the top, you'll just want to click this upload tab, and then you'll just drag and drop your files here, or you'll select your photo. We could just select it because we just went ahead and we did the waterfall. And let's see if I can find it right here. And we'll just hit open. And there you go. As it just there checked out, there's our image. We'll put a description. We could do tags just like any other platform. And then as you see right here, I just uploaded one. I have 6 uploads remaining this week. You get 7 uploads a week, 1 video a day to do absolutely free. You can upgrade to a paid account, but I highly advise that you just start uploading free content until you start collecting a little bit of passive income. It's gonna be totally passive. Once these videos are uploaded, and what passive is income that just generates without you actually having to do anything. Once the the images are up and they get views, you just receive commissions. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to monitor it. You're not actually physically doing something to run this. It's just passive income that trickles in as people view these videos. So it's no harm to you to just go get some free videos or not videos, images, post them on here and just start getting traction. 99 total uploads remaining, you get a total of 100. And then as we're talking about, it talks about the title description and why you use tags. Obviously, if you've been on any social platforms, you'll see these hashtags. It just helps you get noticed in those certain niches like nature or cars and stuff like that. Let me go up here to the top though, because I want to be very clear. If you want to upgrade to Pro, let's take a look at what that costs. So we were at 0, the free plan. You can do the $2 whatever that is per month. And this works worldwide, guys. So like, as you can see, I'm in the United States. This is Lears or something. So it's different, and that's why they pay via PayPal, but it's not that expensive, and you get unlimited uploads, ad-free experience, faster browsing, get paid for views. They got the $4 and then they got the $6, but I definitely just recommend you do the free plan again, and then go from there as you start generating revenue. I hope that helped. Again, let's go back real quick through this. It's going to be, your website is going to be ClickASnap. Pixabay, and Pexels to get your free images. And again, Google and go to tools, go to the licensing rights right here, and Creative Commons licenses. Those will be the way for you to get free images to upload to this website and start earning 25 cents. And like, let's even, I think we already did the math, but like, look at this person made 65,000 views. And if we just pulled up the calculator wherever it went, let's pull up a calculator. 65,000 views times 0.25 cents, that is equivalent to $16,250 paid out to them for uploading images to this website. So I hope you see the power of it. Obviously, I can't guarantee you'll get any views or make any money, but they pay you for views. So as long as your images do get viewed, you should get compensated for uploading them. I really hope this video helped. As always, please subscribe, smash that like button, and we'll see you in the next one.